Thanks for coming to dance with me today. I'm Laura, and today we're going to learn the 6-count circle. This is part of a larger series explaining Lindy Hop basics. If you want to see more, check out the playlist. But first, thank you people of Patreon for helping to make this video possible for everyone in the world, including people like you. If you want to join them, it's a voluntary subscription and the link is in the description. Now the 6-count circle is a basic move, so it can be done so many ways. Here's one way Brooks and I do it. The 6-count circle, you guessed it, is 6 counts and has that basic 6-count rhythm. Let's remember what that rhythm is. Here we go. And. Yeah. Let's start with the geography. Now the geography is just the shape of the move without the rhythm or personality or any of the stuff that makes it look or feel like a dance. Now let's add the rhythm. Let's check it out from a few different angles. Let's do that 6-count circle together with rhythm. At first, we're going to stop, celebrate a little victory. Then as we feel comfortable, we're going to roll right through. When you feel comfortable, do the same move continuously. Some tips that make this feel better for me. Check out the very first part of the circle. Do I do a rock step? I don't. Brooks gives me space to step backwards twice. That space feels radically different than the 6-count basic, and it makes it easier for him to get in front of me. Notice our paths. Brooks isn't thinking about moving around me. He's going straight down the line. Likewise, I'm not thinking about going around him. I'm going straight down the line as well. Because of this, there's a moment when Brooks doesn't even have to touch my back. I'm already moving in the direction he asked, at the pace he asked. Brooks initiates the 6-count circle in the first half, and I finish the second half. All Brooks has to do is let me do it. Now let's do the same thing from open position, starting with geography. Now let's add the rhythm. Check out the move from a few different angles. let's try it together. Take breaks if you need them, and then when you feel comfortable, use the moves you already know to get into open position and do it again. Tips that might help. When you're trying to do the 6-count circle from open position, this is the tricky part, try to do exactly what you do in the 6-count circle from closed position. Notice that Brooks is going straight down the line. He's not trying to go around me. After he catches my back, he continues to move down that line. Notice that I'm also keeping to my line past him, and when he catches me, he redirects my momentum, causing me to follow him. As usual, this video is just a supplement and a guide. The real learning happens through trial and error on the dance floor. I hope you had fun and learned a lot. If you did, do all that YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, algorithm, all of that stuff. If you like the music we're dancing to, it's the Brooks Prumo Orchestra, and you can find a link to it in the description. And half of the money that I get from this YouTube channel goes towards organizations that support African diasporic artists and art, because Lindy Hop is a black dance, and that's very important. The best way to learn how to dance, you know, to get out there and dance.